Greetings, dear friends. Thank you to everyone who supports me, including those visiting my channel for the first time. Subscribe to show your support. Today I'll show you how to make delicate sticker pendants on ready-made molds. I cut out the design I need and try it on for size. I decided to make the background black. I add a drop of dye to the UV resin, mix thoroughly, and pour it into the blank so that it slightly covers the bottom, but is not translucent. Place it in the lamp for 60 seconds. You can dry it longer, but I usually dry it twice for 60 seconds. Now we'll apply the sticker. I've prepared a glass of water. Dip the sticker in it for 3 to 5 seconds and peel off the paper layer. The film that remains on your finger is your design. Transfer it to the item, press it firmly, and dry with a dry paper towel. Is the design evenly positioned, smoothed out, and the surface dry? Then you can apply the final layer of resin. Carefully distribute it along the edges, remove any excess bubbles with a lighter, and let it dry for 120 seconds. Our pendant is almost ready. All that's left is to attach the fittings. I prepared the chain in advance. Our pendant is almost ready. All that's left is to attach the fittings. I prepared the chain in advance. In this pendant, I will be using white pearlescent pigment. for watching. Subscribe to support.